Hello everyone, this is a quick explainer on how to use the Travelexic agent dashboard to activate an itinerary. So I've already logged in using a dummy agent login, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on create itinerary self. That gets me to the itinerary activation page, and here I will just be typing in the initials of any location in the to template that I'm looking for. So when I say to template, I mean any route. So it could be Shimla, Manali, Chandigarh is one route, Chandigarh, Manali, Shimla is another route. So I'm looking for Shimla, Manali, Chandigarh. So I type SH. So it gives me all of these options with Shimla, which are already created on the back end. So Shimla, Manali, Chandigarh is what I'm looking for. So I click on select, then we pick date, pick up location, add a night, meal plan, select the hotel, travelers, so adults, one room, and I click on book now. So this is the summary page, so I will quickly get an idea about the template that I've picked, and I can edit my day plan here and add the customer details, but it's best to just skip this and go right to the next page. For that, I click on view select itineraries. Just remember the last 5 digits of your itinerary. So since I have the last 5 digits of my itinerary, I'm just going to type that 35437. So this is my information input screen. So I'm going to input all the information that I need to share with the client, and just keep a record of against each tool. So I'm just going to quickly fill in dummy data here. So this driver, all of this, remember here is all of this information is dynamic. So even while the tool is going on, you can update this information, re-update it multiple times, and the same gets synced to the customer's phone. And click on save handler info to update this information. Now I come to tour locations. Now here is where I get information about the hotel. I can input the voucher number here. So here I can input information like honeymoon inclusions, or maybe if you need some balance to be paid at the hotel, INR 4,000 paid at the hotel, so forth. Room category can be input here, and once I'm done, I just click on save. So the same steps have to be repeated for the Manali hotel and the Chandigarh hotel. I'm just going to skip this for the time being. This is tour itinerary. This is the day plan, default day plan, which is set, but you can always change it as per your itinerary. So I'm going to add Kali Badi temple here. I can even add Naldera. So then I go to Manali, I will add clubhouse, I will add Hadimba Devi temple, perfect. And then I will just, once I'm done with this, I will click on save day plan, and you will see this roster in green which says the plan has been saved successfully. Now I come to flight details. Now here I will just input the number of the customer. So this space can be used for flight as well as trains. So if I have more passenger, I can input the name of that passenger. Ticket details will, the first one will, I will input the travel date. This will show the departure city, so Delhi. Arrival city, say Chandigarh. Train or flight number, say 6C47. I can add another sector, same data repeated, or let's say 5 April 2018. And this is Chandigarh, Delhi. And here I will upload the PDF file of the ticket, so the same can be downloaded on the customer side. So yeah, the moment it's uploaded I can see it here, and I click on save flight info. Yes, perfect. Now I come on to traveler details. So here I will input the customer information. So the email for me is required whenever I need to send an email to the customer directly from the dashboard. So I'm just going to input my email here so I can show you how the email goes. So I'll put in my number, Chandigarh. So this information is important because the same goes to the driver's app. So it's best advice that you don't use shorthand, you write full names or full addresses. So I save this info and then I click on activate itinerary. And once we're done with this, I just click on send mail to customer. And to show you how the mail looks, I'll just go to my email client. So if you can see, the email is sitting right here, and this is what the email will look like. It'll come with the agent's logo, or rather your logo, and yeah, this is the format. And yes, now your customer can download the app and use this number to log in and access the itinerary. Hope this tutorial was useful. Thank you.